So I was super busy since last 2 3 months, and then I know like it's really excuse for me to say, but still, yeah. So and then I decided to make an unboxing video. I ordered something. So today is 24th of November and last week was my birthday, and then I ordered something as a birthday gift for myself. So yeah, a little story behind this. This order arrived yesterday, and my roommate already opened it by mistake because we also ordered another package from Amazon for water filter, water purifier, something, and then she thought it's like water purifier, and then she just opened. So yeah, I resist myself a lot. And then to Thanksgiving event in the morning, and then I just came from our lab meeting and all, and then I decided to make a video. So yeah, it's already open. Some random stuff. Okay. So these are my AirPods. I love that. Here. Even I'm not super excited for my AirPods. I'm excited for my watch. So it's SE second generation. I think it launched with Series 8 and 14 series, iPhone 14 series. So yeah, let's unbox it. Okay, cool. Cute. So the thing is, I saw a video, I saw a shorts, and it says like tear from the green arrow. So I'm gonna do that. I have pretty big nails. Whoop. And then, yep. Khul ja sim sim. Okay. Okay, it's so sexy. It looks so cool. Actually, I'm a huge fan of black color. Like, I love everything in black. So right now my phone is 12 mini. Like, it's in black color. Actually, I have my watch, Apple Watch. It's like Series 7. I was reading about the features, and then I saw that this is like a mini phone. Yeah, I also use, like, right now I'm using like T-Mobile services in my phone, and then I also add another line for my Apple Watch. So it's a cellular and GPS. So this has like cellular and GPS system. So for example, if my phone is not with me, so I can use this as a phone to make a call, I guess. Let's try. And then what's the next? Oh, let's assemble. Let's assemble. This is so teeny tiny. Cool. They have so many instructions. They have like literally so many instructions. I don't know how. Oh, so how they will. Cool. Actually right now I have Series 7, but it's 45 mm, and see on my hand how that will look. Like, that was literally looking so big, and that's why I ordered this, and it's like 40 mm. It's looking so cute. Look at that. Look at that band. It's space gray, I think. Yeah, gray color. cool. Okay, so what we have to do is just slide okay. This was easy. That was easy. I'm gonna see, like, if this thing will not look good, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Okay, I did something weird. It shouldn't be like this, I think. I guess I did something. Okay, so this is supposed to be like this. This is supposed to be like this. Yep. Let's remove this. Bye bye. It's not your time. Super excited for my new watch. I think it's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking freaking good. Okay, just relax. Now it's your time. So these are the AirPods, and I'm not a huge fan of this. I was trying so hard. I was like dying to buy the Air Max that is freaking expensive. So yeah, I got a deal from Walmart and then I got this. Yes. Fear of my life is I need something stable. Like it should not come off when I'm working out in gym or I'm like running. I'm not sure about that because right now I'm using an earphone or earbuds. I just have like the wired one, and that is not convenient to use in a gym. Like I can tangle somewhere. So yeah, and uh, let's. It says battery low. Yeah, so actually right now there are so many deals are going on due to Black Friday. Many deals are going on, so I also ordered my phone, and then maybe that will maybe I'll receive that day after tomorrow, and then I'm super excited for that. The reason is I love that camera. Like I have seen one of my friends, she has like 14 Pro, and then I was like, I need that. This is so freaking cool, and its camera is like, I think it's 48 megapixel, and right now I'm using my little bad boy for that. So yeah, thank you so much for stay tuned with me, and I hope I will make videos regular basis. And then this is the like end of the semester. I have literally a millions of things to do, but yeah. And yeah, happy Thanksgiving. And yeah, it's 24. Stay healthy, take care, bye. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the content, then you know what you need to do. Just hit the like button. Okay, bye.